Learn 7 everyday expressions used by native speakers and speak like them. Number 1. Hang in there. This phrase is used by native speakers to someone who is going through a bad situation. This phrase means, don't give up and continue to try to get rid of that bad situation. Example, don't worry. Hang in there, bro. Number 2. It blew me away. This is used by native speakers when they are extremely surprised and completely amazed. Extreme surprise is expressed by this phrase. Use this expression when you are completely amazed and have no words to express intensity. Example, John, how do you feel at the wedding party? It blows me away, Jack. Number 3. I missed the boat. This phrase is used by native speakers to mean that they had an opportunity to do something but couldn't do because of some reason. So use this expression when you had an opportunity but missed it. Example, John, did you participate in the poem competition? No, man, I missed the boat, Jack. Number 4. To cut to the chase. This expression is most commonly used by North American native speakers of English. This phrase means to come to the main point without talking around. Start using this phrase right away in your everyday conversation. Example, to cut to the chase, I missed today's class because I was sick. Number 5. To freak out. This phrase is also most frequently used by native speakers in the US. This expression means to go crazy or be upset, angry, or agitated. Use this phrase in your daily English conversation in place of go crazy. Example, OMG. I freaked out as soon as I saw such a majestic view of the mountain. Number 6. Hit the sack. This is one of the most common used in English everyday conversation by native speakers of English. This phrase means to go to bed in order to sleep. So use this phrase in place of go to bed. Example, I'm so tired. I'm going to hit the sack right away. Number 7. Let's catch up. This is also commonly used by native speakers of English. This expression is the alternative for let's meet. So use this phrase when you want to say, let's meet. Example, John, I've not covered the entire syllabus. Let's catch up today for a group discussion over the prescribed topics.